This is wonderful. They're starting to string the fiber optic cable, and this is pretty interesting the way they do it. Looks like this little round machine travels along the base cord, I guess, and it wraps the cable or the fiber optic cable around it as it's spinning. And there's a gentleman that's going to get out in a second, and he's going to walk that right across the line. So that's very encouraging. It looks like we're going to be able to get some fiber optic internet up here in the Northwest Cape sooner rather than later. Now, I spoke to these gentlemen earlier, and they said that they were actually the people that were working yesterday to string up that base line that they were going to use to wrap that fiber optic around. They were from AT&T, and yet I've heard other people in other neighborhoods say that the gentlemen that were doing it in their neighborhood were from CenturyLink. So I wonder if there might be some cooperation or between all of the cable providers or internet providers to chip in, and let's get this ball rolling here in the Northwest with internet access for everybody. So this is very nice to see. Very, very encouraging. I'll stay here for a few more minutes to see if you can see it in action. It's very interesting though. It's just somebody on the ground just grabs one end of that cable hanging down, and they walk backwards with it as it spins along that baseline. It spins that cable right around and pulls. There it goes. Now he's going to do it, it looks like. Let's see if he's going to do it now. This is very exciting. Very exciting. I'm very happy to see this, as you can imagine. I guess you all are. It's wonderful news. Just give you a little bit. I won't hold it too much longer, but very exciting. Push out a little bit. Very exciting. That's how they do it. They just walk along and they pull it, and that spins around and wraps the fiber optic cable right around that lead wire, stabilizing the cable, which is why one of the reasons why it's so reliable. So I just wanted to wait until some traffic. Yeah, that's how it works, folks. So if you see this happening in your neighborhood, that's what it is.